Nathaniel Oxford here with a trumpet tutorial video for how to play Jingle Bells. You're going to need your trumpet. You probably have the sheet music for this, and if you haven't gotten the assignment sheet yet, you can download it from the description below. And we're going to play off of that. If you're playing off of the sheet music, we're going to start at measure 5 in the sheet music, and what we're going to do is we're going to just talk through it one time, say the note names, and then the second time through we're going to go ahead and play it. So Jingle Bells, here we go. 1, 2, on the note names, 2, ready, go. E, 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 G, C, D, E, rest, stop. I just want to point out, if you need to pause the video at any time and practice a spot, go ahead. So for example, everybody probably got E, 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 and then the next notes might have been challenging. So if those next notes were challenging, C, D, E are the last 3 notes, C, D, E, and the first 7 notes are E, and then there's a G in the middle. And so probably E, G, C, D, E is a spot that some people might need to practice on. So we're going to go do that again, and I'm going to keep going, but at each line, at each phrase, when we pause, I'm going to take a pause before we go into the next one, and then that'll give you a chance, if you need to pause it, to go ahead, and then I'll count off the next line. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. E, 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 G, C, D, E. Okay, next line. 1, 2, ready, go. F, 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 E, 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 D, D, E, D, G. Next line, which is the same as the first line, so you should already have that. 2, 3, go. E, 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 G, C, D, E. And the last line, the last phrase, 2, 3, 4. F, 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 E, 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 G, G, F, D, G, G, F, D, C, C. Okay? Let's go ahead and play it. We'll go one line at a time, and then we'll do the whole thing. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Pause. I said we do one line at a time, so here's the next line. If you needed to pause the video and practice something, go right ahead. We're going to do the next one. 1, 2, ready, go. Pause right there. Next line. 1, 2, ready. And the last line. 1, 2, ready, go. You ready to do the whole thing straight through? If not, pause the video now. And now we're going to do the whole thing straight through. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Jingle Bells.